Make a great choice today with the 2011 Buick Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats standard with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, auto-off headlights, remote trunk release, power driver mirrors, power passenger mirrors. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.